As the Shadow Finance Minister graphically demonstrated last Thursday, food prices have dramatically increased due to the post-pandemic world inflation and will be pushed even higher as a result of the terrible drought conditions that are now impacting farmers across Jamaica. I am once again calling on the government to provide subsidies to reduce the cost to farmers for fertilizer, seeds and animal feed for chickens and other livestock for the remaining duration of the current spike in inflation, so that consumers are spared further ravages in the spiraling price of food. This can be managed by the Ministry of Agriculture and Consumer Affairs Commission with the aid of the public to ensure that the benefit of those subsidies is passed through to consumers.